how to add and remove Instagram Reels from profile. So let's head over right here to our profile and scroll down and click on this Reels option. So once you have clicked on that, you can see all the Reels that you have posted in the past. So I have this Reel right here that is actually pretty blurry, so I want to remove that. In order to remove this, you can click on this three dots option, and then in here you can see this option that we call Manage. Head over and click on that. And then you can see this option, which is the Remove from Profile Grid. Head over and click on that, and then it will process. And then when you head over again to your profile, and but if you ever just try to refresh it, this will remove this particular reel in your profile grid. So it will take some time for this as well to actually finish the processing for that. But once it's done processing, it will remove that. Now, in order to add an Instagram reel to your actual profile, you can head over to that particular reel, click on the three dots, click on the Manage, and then you can head over and then click this Add the Profile Grid. So this will actually still be on your profile since you will be only the one who will see it. However, the people who follows you won't be able to see this reel. So if you don't want them to actually see it, just click on this Add the Profile Grid in order to successfully add this account. So that's how you add and remove Instagram Reels from profile. Hope you helped.